Love is the force that allows us to face fear and uncertainty with courage. But although you two will be sharing one life, never forget that you're two separate people.
So we've come a long way from me asking you out on our first date and what had to be the most awkward way possible to today, our wedding. Today I vow my love for you in front of all of our families and friends. From this day forward, I promise you this: to love you unconditionally as you love me, or as much as you love our dog Elvis. Either one will work. To share our successes and fight as one through times of adversity. To honor, respect, and treat you as the beautiful, intelligent, and kind woman that you are.
Casey, you are my best friend, the most selfless, caring, and genuine person I've ever met. Today, you remain all these things, but you also become my husband. I vow to be committed to you, to forgive you always, and to be the first to apologize on the few occasions that I'm wrong.
So Jannina and Casey, cherish and affirm your differences. Love each other, yes. Keep your commitment primary, yes, but together you will laugh and cry. You will be sick and you will be well. You will be happy and angry, and you will grow together.